All right, Matt Breitenbach here with the BAT team. I'm here with my mother and mentor, Susan Breitenbach. We're at our new co-exclusive listing, 2528 Noyac Road. Mom, tell me what you love about this house.
First of all, it's amazing to work with you on this. I'm very excited. It's best deal in the $10 million range, sweeping views over the 11th hole of Noyac Golf Course, sunken tennis, 8,000 square feet, anything you could imagine, and absolutely beautifully done.
There you go, you heard it from the best. Let's go take a look.